For almost 2 years, the GTR Lighting Ultra Series bulbs and the Supernova V3 were the best option for the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. And that's a lifetime in the world of technology today. After a lot of testing, we finally found something that beats both of them, and this is the Supernova V4 from Headlight Revolution. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like compared to the stock bulbs that you're already used to in your truck, how it performs, how the beam pattern comes out, and more importantly, how to get the thing installed in your truck today. So let's get started. First thing you need is a pry tool. There are these plastic clips here on the left and right of the grill. Pop them out like so. Get the pry tool under the middle section, and it's going to spring right out like that. Set those off to the side. Now you need a 10mm socket. You can do this with a ratchet, you could do it with an impact or a drill, whatever you've got. There are 4 bolts on the top here, 4 silver bolts. So with those bolts removed and set off to the side, what you need to do is take your hands and just get under the grill and pull it up and toward you. It's kind of hooked onto these little plastic pieces here where those bolts were threaded into. With the grill loose like this, you can grab down here and just give the grill a good pull toward you. It'll pop right off. Go ahead and set this to the side. Got 2 more plastic clips to deal with, one on the top and one on the bottom of this plastic trim piece below the headlight. With those removed, you should be able to just peel this thing back and remove it from the truck. Now, we've got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and one on the opposite side of the headlight right there. They're all 10mm bolts. So once again, start at the top. Go ahead and remove that bolt, this bolt, and this bolt. A lot like the grill, we've got these top little plastic things that the bolts screwed into. If you just lift these little headlight tabs off of there, it'll clear that plastic thread insert there. And now, just gently pull the headlight toward you. This is the back of the headlight. All you have to do to unplug it is grab onto the connector and just pull it off. And you're going to want to remove this dust cover as well. Just set that off to the side. Now, there's a little bent piece of wire here that's designed for you to push down on it, and that'll allow you to release the bulb, just like so. With that out of the way, you can pull your factory H4 bulb out of there. In the beginning of the video, I touched briefly on how much testing we do here at Headlight Revolution to make sure we're giving you guys the best headlight bulbs available for your truck today. And for 2 years, the Supernova V3 and the GTR Lighting Ultra Series bulbs were the best option for these trucks. They really were. They gave you the best beam pattern. They lasted the longest out of just about everything on the market. And 2 years in the technology world is a long time. That's a lifetime. You've probably gone through 3 cell phones in that time. We finally have the next bulb, and that is the Supernova V4 bulb. And we didn't just pluck this bulb out of thin air. Honestly, we tried hundreds of bulbs in this truck alone, and probably thousands of man hours between myself, between Chris Nelson, the owner of the company, testing, doing demonstrations, lux readings, you name it, making sure that what we're going to give you guys actually even works in the first place, not to mention the fact that it needs to be the brightest option available. We finally got it. It's finally here. Let's get this thing installed. Let's see what it looks like on the wall. Now, one thing you got to do before we get too far ahead of ourselves is remove this piece here and install it into the headlight. And before, what you'd have to do is use a supplied Allen key, take some screws out of these collars, and try not to drop them into the headlight or drop them into the abyss that is your truck. And that was a real pain. This new bulb has got a collar that's held in place with these little holes that go over this ball bearing here. It's spring loaded. The coolest part about that is on certain trucks you need to clock your bulb, and you can do exactly that now. So I'm really excited about that. That's really important for us. Take this piece just like so, put it into the headlight, and bring that wire retainer down. Clicks right in just like it did with the factory bulb. Take your dust cover, install it over the bulb, and click the bulb into place in the headlight. Now would be a great time to make sure that that bulb is up and down. It's vertical rather than horizontal in the headlight. You want it absolutely vertical. So just peek in the front. As you can see, the bulb's in there vertically, not horizontally at all. It needs to be vertical for the best beam pattern. All that's left to do now is take your Supernova V4 connector and plug it into your factory wire harness, just like so. Go ahead and tidy it up, tuck it off to the side, and we can reassemble the truck. Now I'm quickly going to do the passenger side, get the new bulb installed, and I'll show you guys what you've actually been waiting for. We'll head over to the studio and see what this new bulb looks like compared to the old stock headlight that you've been living with for so long already. So we've got our Tundra pulled into the studio, and first I'm going to show you guys the stock halogen bulbs and how they perform against the wall. This is our low beam, and as you can see, we've got a hot spot on the left and right, and that's what we want. We want to just see if we can make that a little bit brighter with an upgraded bulb. This came in at 610 lux, and lux is your reading of usable light output firing down the road from your headlights. This is being measured at 25 feet. It's kind of the industry standard for measurement. 610 lux, not terrible. So here we've got our Supernova V4 low beam, and as you can see, we've got a beautiful white cutoff line. It looks super sharp, and this came in at 1,570 lux, which compared to 610 lux with the old bulbs, this is a tremendous upgrade over stock. So this is the Toyota Tundra high beam, and as you can see, it really scatters the light and gives you these undesirable, little micro hot spots outside of the regular hot spot. This isn't quite what we want, and I'm hoping that by upgrading to LED we can kind of smooth this out, because right now we're going to have a really weird high beam going down the road. This came in at 550 lux, so it's less bright than the low beam, which isn't super surprising considering it scattered the light so much. So here's the Tundra high beam with the Supernova V4 bulbs installed. As you can see, we actually did tighten up the hot spot a little bit compared to the very scattered light output we had with the factory bulbs in the high beam. And this actually came out a lot brighter at 1,520 lux, which compared to the original 550 high beam, that's almost 3 times brighter as well. So we tripled our light output on low beam, tripled our light output on high beam. This is a very worthwhile upgrade for your Toyota Tundra. As you can tell, the new Supernova V4 is a tremendous upgrade over the bulb that you're already more than used to in your truck to begin with. Now, if you're looking for another really good upgrade for the front of your Toyota Tundra, the NSV light bar that fits into the hood bulge here looks super clean, unbelievably bright. That is one of our top selling products for the Toyota Tundra. If you're looking for that little bit of extra light on the back roads at night, whatever you're doing, definitely check out our video on this. It is awesome. And of course, you got to match the fog lights. We've got everything figured out on those as well. Visit our website, www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.